Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So friends, coming October the 1st, we are going to be celebrating CROCK-tober with slow cooker delights all month long. Get ready for a mouth-watering October like never before because CROCK-tober is just around the corner. I'm thrilled to announce that I'll be sharing a tantalizing array of crockpot recipes all month long, from hearty stews to savory soups and everything in between. We're diving headfirst into the world of slow cooking to bring you the coziest and most delicious meals imaginable. So dust off your trusty crockpot, subscribe to stay updated, and join me on this culinary journey throughout CROCK-tober. Get ready for the ultimate comfort food experience as we celebrate the season with warm flavor and a whole lot of love. Friends, thanks so much for watching, and please go ahead and hit that subscribe button as it does help me out. And also check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and please join me for CROCK-tober.